Hi friends, today I'll talk about importance of being vocal for local, and that's the need of this point of time that we boycott all those products which are not Indian, and starting with TikTok obviously. So when we realize that our Indian people are working so hard but they are earning very less, and what is the reason behind that? That we are driven by this foreign culture that okay, we should purchase those things which seems cooler to me, and all the things. Firstly, it started with the Bollywood because they project the thing that okay, wearing a cool t-shirt or let's say denims and all that of a foreign, it's quite cooler. Even my t-shirt name sounds John. So basically, we should boycott those things which are not Indian because we when we blindly follow the foreign products and all that thing, we are letting our own people suffer. Whole our economies and all that suffer just because of we think that the other things are cool. No, they are not cool. They are only hampering our progress. In one data, I have heard that if you're gonna stop using Chinese product, all Chinese product, for let's say 90 days, then our own rupee worth will surpass even the dollar. What is the reason behind that? It's simple. Our people will be benefited, and then our country will bloom. So why not we realize this whole thing? Why we just blindly follow the other country product? We think they are cool, and that's why these all things are being realized by the own people, and that's the reason they even use catchy name that it sounds that okay they are a foreigner, so that we will purchase those things. How many of you do you know that this this thing of what was that name? And Peter England. It's an Indian company. Most of us know that it's like Peter England is there, so it's like a foreigner. But no, it's Indian, and it is by being Aditya Birla Group. But why? What has led him to do that thing? What has led him to make it sound like a Peter England? So that it's as simple as it is. That we think, okay, it's a foreigner company, like it's a cool Peter England. Something sounds like a trendy and all that, so we should purchase it. No, we shouldn't get driven by that thing. When we see even our small industries people, even those people who are making pots, do you think that any refrigerator, any freezer, like what do we call it, can compete a pot? No, never. The coolness of that water that we drink from matka, in Hindi we say matka, can't be compared in any way to the fridge because there's nothing in front of that thing. It's as simple as it is. But when we will realize these all things, when we will walk for making their life good, better, those people who are making pot for us, those people, small people are working for us, but then we just get driven to this culture of thinking because it's been like instilled in our mind that Indian products and Indian things are not worthy. At this point of time, see Ayurveda, it's doing hell lot of thing and improving people life. Products which are being made by them, if they are even they are far better than allopathy or on all that foreign thing. So why not to switch to that? Why not to benefit our own people? That whole money circulation and all that will be in our nation. It will be for our people. At this point of time, this lockdown and this coronavirus thing, who's helping you? Do you think Mark Zuckerberg is supporting you in this? No, never. He's not giving you 2 time meals a day. It is Indian people who have realized that they should stand for you guys, and that's why many laborers, many and all that are being supported by this philanthropist group of these people, and they are Indian. And why they are doing that thing? Because they realize that you guys have done a lot of service to them by doing that, and that's why you can see Tata. They have given 1500 crore rupee to PM Care Fund. Why they have done that? And they are making even PP kits and all that thing. Why? Because an Indian and they stand for that cause. Why Geo at this point of time has like made a lot of PP kits, a lot of things and all that, and they are working for you. Why? Because they're Indian and they'll stand for the Indian calamity, any sort of thing arises. So that's why. When we help our own people, they help us. No Mark Zuckerberg, no Amazon CEO and all that will come to help you guys. Well, in Indian will stand for an Indian, and that's why we should realize these things. That when we help our own people, they help us. Like our country get bloom, our people life gets good. So, and this is with even lower people to the higher people, to Mukesh Ambani, to even a Potter, like example I have given you. So why not to make their life great? We can do that thing once we realize that. And like at this point of time, doctor is doing a great service to the nation by treating this patient even at the cost of their own life. Policeman, a soldier are doing the same for you. So as a citizen, it's our responsibility, it's our duty, he'll say, to do that thing. And we have got so much like education and all that, so we should use that thing. We should be vocal but local, and that is the need. And when we'll do that thing, our people will like get a lot of benefit for that. So we should realize this whole thing. How many of you know that that many mobile companies which are Indian, whenever we go to purchase anything, you'll be like, if you are from a luxurious family and all that, you're like, oh, I'm gonna purchase Apple, or middle class one, then Oppo, Vivo, and all, Samsung and all. How many of you know Indian thing? And Jio is India, Lava is India, Carbon is Indian company, many other Indian company. But why we not purchase those? Because we think that they are not worthy. We not even have tried it once, but we think that they are not worthy. So just stop it. Just stop that nonsense for this point of time, and just purchase the Indian product and make our India once again great. And that duty lies within our soldier, and we should do justice to that thing. And then only our country will bloom and make prosper once again. Like in early point of time, there was a Swadeshi movement by Gandhiji, in which he have out the whole nation for the boycott all the foreign products by British and all that, and buy only Indian thing. At this point of time, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi have said the same thing, and we should realize this thing. We should realize the importance of that thing. We shouldn't just make opinion and think that okay, somebody is favoring our prime minister, then okay, we should follow him. Somebody who are having a belief which is contradictory to him, we should. But when somebody says something for you, you should do that thing. He said that thing for the nation. Many people will be there like they okay, I don't like him or like that person, so we shouldn't follow what he says. But when he says something to you for the betterment of the nation, you should listen that thing. We should do that great service. When he says that we need to be Atmanirbhar, we should be that thing. Then we should realize that thing. Why it is being said? Because it's a situation where coronavirus is dominating and when people are suffering, so we should stand for each other. At the same point of time, we should take care of our own self. So that is the dire need of this point of time, and we should realize that thing. When we help our own people, they help us. At this point of time, no Mark Zuckerberg, like I said, you is coming to help you. No any other CEO for the thing is coming to help you. It's Indian people who's working for the Indian philanthropist and all that, who's doing a great service to you. So we should realize this all things, and we should make our nation great again, and it can be done only if you stand for the cause and make India great again. So thank you. I hope you like this video, and if you like that, please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you. Hope you like it.